Hey Kurt, here's your 572 aluminum HEMI. Give you a script and its combination. It's got Indy heads on it. DM block, aluminum. Custom grind solid roller. Obviously we've got the cone ram on there for you. They're all plumbed and everything. Got your front end, you got your motor plate. Sure the alternator works. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,800, 622 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 695 foot-pounds, peak horsepower 712, rated 700, it's got an alternator on it, so that really runs good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, show you a couple of things. We can receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag, it'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look it up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.